Hello, and welcome to the Daily Almanac for January 8th. So, let's get started.
First day in history!
On this day in history, January 8th, 1815, American Major General Andrew Jackson led a small, poorly equipped army to victory against 8,000 British troops at the Battle of New Orleans. And on this day in 1905, Walter Diemer was born. In 1928, he accidentally invented bubble gum while experimenting with recipes for a chewing gum base. His company sold a test batch in a Philadelphia grocery store. It sold out in one afternoon. Diemer then taught salesmen how to blow bubbles so they could demonstrate the product when they traveled from store to store, selling the penny-apiece gum. And on this day in 1935, rock and roll singer Elvis Presley was born. His 1956 appearance on the Ed Sullivan television show turned him into a big star. His many hits included Jailhouse Rock, Hound Dog, and Blue Suede Shoes. He also appeared in dozens of movies. Elvis's Memphis home, Graceland, has become a permanent shrine to the singer.
Word power!
Today on Word Power, we're going to talk about the word botany. Botany is a field of science which focuses on plants. Botanists are people who study botany. You might say, I love gardening and walking through the woods to see all the different plants growing there. I think I should study botany when I get to college. The word botany comes from the Greek word botanikos, which means of herbs.
Ooh, extreme.
Today on Extremes, we ask, what were the largest plant-eating dinosaurs? The answer is the sauropod dinosaurs. These enormous creatures grew up to 131 feet long, or 40 meters, and can weigh over 220,000 pounds, which is over 99,790 kilograms. The thigh bone of one of these dinosaurs was taller than a full-grown man. Fossils show that they lived on the Earth between 208 and 65 million years ago.
Health tips.
If you do most of your sleeping lying on your stomach, you probably don't need a pillow. You can just rest your head on the mattress. That's a way to be sure that your neck and shoulder muscles don't get strained as you sleep. And if you do use a pillow, make sure it's a pretty flat one. Do you ever help do laundry at your house? Or maybe you go to the laundromat with your parents? One way to be an Earth Alert hero is to use laundry detergent that isn't full of bad chemicals. The bad chemicals in the laundry detergent are called phosphates, and after they clean your clothes, they cause big problems by getting into lakes and streams. Now, if there are too many phosphates in a lake, the water gets filled up with green, goopy algae, and eventually fish, frogs, and other plants and animals can't live there anymore. So the next time you help out with the laundry, ask your parents if your laundry soap is phosphate-free. If it isn't, ask them to buy earth-friendly soap the next time. Well, that's all the time we have left today for Daily Almanac. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you tomorrow.